Okay. Blah, 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 blah. How are we all doing, everyone? Are we amazing? Are we okay? We're good. We're good. How's it going? And sorry, getting myself all ready, steady, ready, steady, ready. Yeah, sure. Let's go with ready, steady, ready. Sorry. It's doing weird and wonderful things. I know it makes absolutely no difference, but let's do this thing. So, first things first. First things first. Let's mark out what we gotta mark out. These... Oh, shoot. Look at how it's respecting there. Okay. All these volume imbalances. Wow. Problem is my chart would just be going cray-cray. Higher probability still took place. That's very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Okay, so if I had taken this trade, we can see it actually would have worked. Going in here, quick up, back down, and then that was that push back to the tippity top there. So that's pretty cool, but also irrelevant right now. Let's have a look-see. Let's put up what we gotta put up. Equawave. Finally got a whoop whoop. Yay! Well done, Serbil. What's up? Big Wave, yay! And how was it? Was it weird doing it on TradingView, or are you getting the hang of it now? But that's still amazing. Amazing. Yes, I just said amazing. We're gonna just go with it and pretend like that's a cool thing to say right now, okay? Whoop whoop, Mikawave. Super, ooper duper proud. Yeah, theoretically not London low, don't come for me, but especially not a market like a chop. There we go. London low. Everything else has already been marked out. Yeah. Awesome. Let's do this. Let's do this thing. So got it. Let's do a top to bottom analysis quickly. Oh, sorry. I just came from the stables. I'm like so full of dust right now. Anyways, let's go. Daily. Let's check out the daily quickly. Oh, we're gonna take out the low. We're gonna mitigate this imbalance. I would still like to see it mitigate this imbalance, but maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see, I'm gonna keep an eye on it though. But it looks like we're going down. Maybe it wants to go take out those lows, which is fine. Which is also hunky-dory. Let's check the 4 hour now. A little bit when I tried my run, I came back, hit and put me finish. Did you make sure you had the correct amount of contracts in, Mikawave? Go have fun. What's up? How you doing? Well, let's see. Like asking bulls or bears, basically. All good questions. I'm still feeling bears. Like I said, I wouldn't have hated to see it come back up and fill that fair value gap. Sorry, I feel like I've been shouted by something. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are so irritating. Okay, sorry. Let's proceed. It's going so slowly down, but it's still going down. Like I said, I wouldn't have hated to see it come and pull this imbalance over here, but maybe that's just not gonna happen. Maybe we're just gonna continue to the sell side. Oh, this is gonna drive me mental. Okay. 1 hour. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. I mean, this 1 hour doesn't look great, does it? Maybe it'll come back up here. That's 727-ish level. Back into VWAP for continuation back down. The 1 hour doesn't look ideal. How many hours a day do I spend in front of the PC? Like 6 or so? Yeah, like 6-ish hours. Maybe a little bit less depending on the day, but let's say around 6. 6 hours? Which, I mean, it could be worse, right, David? It could be worse. Let's just be real. So that's the 1 hour. Let's check the 15-minute now. Okay. Okay. 5 minutes. Taps into the order block, big rejection back down. It still wants to tap into this fair value gap. Is it going to continue after that, or is it going to reject and continue to the bear side? Let's see. Okay, back to 1 minute. Nice short my when market open. Interesting, Dom. I did! Boom, I did take a trade during London. I should have taken like 3 freaking trades. London was actually really good, but it's fine. So let's quickly show you. London, took this trade, was a good winner. I missed. I know, don't look back on what you missed and what shoulda, coulda, woulda, but this was such a good freaking trade. I'm still a little bit grumpy about it, but it's fine. This banger, check it that, and down. And then where did I set up? Oh, and then I set up this one, but I left. I had to close the charts. I set up this one. And as you can see, same thing, in and back down. Literally would have been pretty cool. This is the one I literally set up before I left. Oh well, it's okay. Had 1 win, so it is what it is. And now we're gonna just watch and see what happens. Ooh, wait a minute, is this bull flagging? Is this bull flagging? How much? 300 and... Where's my balance at? There we go. $338. So nothing hectic. You know, I'm sticking with, yeah. $338. Isn't bad. I wasn't able to go through the fine print of the rules and see when I could take my first payout. I still need to go double check on that though. Pump, what's up? Do I ever trade on second chart? No, I don't. The ES is just there because the ES and NQ drive each other. So it's to keep an eye out on ES. Oh, I like that they look very similar today. That's good. That's really good. Okay. Thanks, Boom. Boom, how about you? Did you take one? What's up, Rusty? How are you? Apologies, I forgot to do this. Pinning this, if you guys know, you know. Here's my affiliate code. I'm with Traderify now officially, which is super exciting. So if you guys want to use my code to get a discount with Traderify, you can, as well as Bulonox and Top One. You can also just check in my description. You'll see all the props that I am affiliated with. But those are, I would say, maybe it's being judgy, but I would say those are the top 3: Bulonox, Traderify, and Top One. Hey Bella, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? Bella Kim. Are you a girl? I don't have Apex, unfortunately. I want to get Apex. Hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. That's all I'm gonna say with regards to that. Give me a little bit of time. But yeah, give me a little bit of time. I'll just say that. I'll just say that. My trading view is that it doesn't say order filled or stop filled. It does. Well, it goes beep. It makes a beep. Have you not heard the beep? It goes beep. Where am I based? I'm in South Africa. Where are you from, Bella? Oh my gosh, I'm being chowed by a mosquito. Literally 1, 2, 3, 4 bites. This is not good. You see it flying around, guys, let me know. Seriously. It's really not good because there is malaria in this area. It's okay. What? I haven't got a beep. Oh, what? No, you should get a beep. I hear the beep. Have you gone to settings? I'm not sure if maybe in settings there's something there. Symbol status, canvas, trading. Execution sound, here we go. Yeah, so if you go into settings, there's execution sound. How about that? Execution marks, execution labels. Yeah, there we go. I'm helping you, Mikuwave. Is it necessary to be so sassy and mean to me? Asking for a friend. Hey, Javar, what's up? How you doing? Oh, why are you awake? Ben, are you good? Isn't it like super early in the morning right now? AOLP, what's up? Good morning. Hot Rod, how you doing? How you doing? How goes it? Let's see what we get today. Seriously, I'm being absolutely eaten alive right now, but it's okay. Good, thanks. Had a nice little short this morning. Almost hit TP at closed it before reversing. Damn, Rusty, that's really good. Well done. Whoop whoop, indeed. That is super cool. Let's now do this thing, chicken wing. Life lessons. What's up? How you doing? How goes it? Bella Kim, you're in Australia again. Is it not? Like, I don't even want to say the middle of the night, but the middle of the night. Okay, let's pay attention. Okay, we have 3 minutes to go. Let's see. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. The oceans are treacherous. What's up, Eddie? Oh, wait, actually, for anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How are you? How's it going? Are you guys ready? Sorry, I see my head's doing weird and wonderful. Oh, it doesn't actually matter. Are we ready for this? Are we ready for this? We have like 2 minutes to go. Let's do this thing, chicken wing. Hey, oh, Jody! Leave me alone. Sorry. Oh, and my hand looks like this because I was sorting out my. Oh gosh, guys, I actually look like a mess right now, but it's okay. As long as we're not a mess on the charts, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay. You got a W with the real money. I did. Solly, what's up? How you doing? You know what it was? For some reason, there was some massive candle that took out 3 stops at once, and I didn't even notice. Oh, damn, Mikuwave. That's insane. Hey, oh, Joy of Travel. How you doing? We need a bell for the open. What, like a ding 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 ding? What do you mean? What do you mean a bell for the open? New York Station, go green. I am being. I don't know if you guys. No, you can't see my arm. I'm being eaten alive. This mosquito's bitten me like 15 times, which is not a really good thing because there may or may not be malaria in this area currently. Yay! Anyways, moving on. I'll be fine. Not stops, I meant take profit. Well, as long as it was a TP, then we're winning, right? Then we're winning. Good, ready to trade. Joy of Travel, I'm so glad. 9:30 AM, smash that bell. Could be cool. Let me put that in notes. Speaking of, here's 9:30 AM, people. Ding, 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 ding. Maybe I was just gonna app on my phone that, you know, if you shake your phone and it goes like ding, ding, ding. Who is ready to go short? Let's see, I'm still in bed. The ice bath is calling my name, but I'm not trying to. Oh, speaking of, I don't know, Bella, are you still here? Bella, Bella, Bella. Are you still here? Yes or no? Let me know. Mosquitoes, David in disguise. That is hilarious. Okay, 9:30. Okay. Tapped into VWAP on ES. Oh damn, ES is definitely stronger to the buy side. And NQ is stronger to the sell side. Okay, this is going to be very interesting. Okay. $9.30 range. Gotta keep the focus. Malaria in the area is catchy as well. Well, you hope you don't catch it, just saying. Malaria is really bad. $9.31. Damn, look at ES go. Mikawave, did you take a buy on? You know, okay, I guess it's very early. Never mind. Let me be quiet. If you did take a buy on ES, a jolly good, jolly good. Damn. Headed for London high. We're stuck between opening price and midnight price. Broke above VWAP on ES. Let's see if this is the first presented or not. Potentially? Nope. Maybe. Let's see if we go back into this range. Gotta keep the focus. Basically tapped into Bob level there. Get in that ice bath. Oh, I think Bella left. Ah, disappointing. I was gonna introduce her to Solly. Damn. I mean, this doesn't look great right now. It did tap, no, not yet. After London high, it taps back into this fair value gap. So let's see if it's going to break above London high before continuation to the bear side. That's at least what I would be looking for. Above London high, or maybe back into opening price, opening range, whatever you want to call it, opening price. And then back down? Let's see how it reacts though. My trade for the day. I missed it completely. No, Geordie, what happened? What's up, Mini Dolly? How you doing? Rusty Maya, what do you mean by first presented? First presented fair value gap. Sorry. That's what I mean by first presented. First presented fair value gap. I take note of it. So, you know, I took a long bit of hit. All my TP now. My runner got stopped. Ah, no, Mikawave. That's mean. But at least, whoop whoop. Right? Whoop whoop. That's still a banger. Damn, well done. Damn, lots of whoop whoops everywhere. You guys good? You guys are having a great old time. Don't forget to press that like button, people. And yeah, if you're gonna use any of the props in my description below, or you know, if you want to try a new one, Traderfly, Binonox, Top One, you can use my affiliate code to get some awesome discounts. Okay, that's my spiel done. Okay, cool. There we go. Tapped into VWAP here. And are we gonna respect it at all? No, not really. Little tap into London high. Okay, London high is gone. Let's see if we go up a little bit higher. Are we gonna reject off of the fair value gap on the higher time frame or not? New weekly opening gap. Rusty, yeah. Does it make sense? Do you look for first presented or not really? Okay, well, we've tapped into the fair value gap now. Let's see if it goes back into the order block a little bit higher up, or if we start to drop down. Sorry, I know I'm zooming in and out quite a bit. I'm just double checking. I know I could just go to like the higher time frames, but out of curiosity, Let's do this. I could have made more profits, but that candle scared me a little bit. That's okay. Oh, cheers, Samir. Enjoy. Have a great evening. What do you mean a good evening? You need to have a great evening. You need to. That sounds very aggressive. You will. No. That also sounds aggressive. You will have a great evening. That doesn't work. Okay, a little tap into the new weekly opening gap. Is that what it was waiting for? I've been waiting for this proper retest for a while now. Ooh, this might be the first presented. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First presented. Boom. Yeah. First presented. Oh, I have to also mark up the 5-minute. This is ridiculous. This is the damn 5-minute. What the heck, man? This is the 5-minute candle. Cool. Cool. So, going to Asia High? I don't even know if I would be able to take this if it comes back down. Let's see. I mean, respecting the NWOG, it did take out London High. We do have first presented, VWAP, fair value gap, and an order block. Would I even be able to? I'd be able to take 2. How much would 3 be? Yeah, I'd have to take 2. Yeah, no, that's just running away without me. Is that too? You will give us 5 minutes of silence. Goodness! Oh, I did promise Solly 5 minutes of silence. Okay, should I do that now quickly? Should I do 5 minutes of silence? 1 2-minute candle on my trade all about it, then I came plummeting back down, so I cut my run short, but oh well, it's okay, Mikuabe. This feels too big. Is there... No. Is there news today? No. Yes, maybe. Let's zoom out a little bit here. Little tap into an order block there.
That's what she said.
Well, that scared me. I will fall back asleep. Oh, if I do. Okay, so you do or don't want me to be quiet now? I'm confused, Solly. Do you want to go to sleep or not? Did you pass your eval? Joy of travel? I did. I might long FP if she comes back. I'm also thinking that. Let's see. Okay, 2 is still good. No, man. I mean, this is a good setup. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna come that far back down. Thank you, Joy of Travel. Yeah, I've passed the eval. I'm officially, no, it's just going up. Officially on a funded account, which is uber duper exciting. Cool. I mean, it's definitely an A+ setup. Is it gonna go that far up? I do not know. Sing me a silent lullaby. Me heard. Wow. Okay. Fine. Fine. Are you guys ready? I promise, because I was mean to Solly. 5 minutes of silence. Okay, you guys ready? 5 minutes. Here we go. Okay, boom! I did it! Okay, 5 minutes silence. What's up, Kelvin? How you doing? Kiwi Eater? Hi, sorry. Is she rage baiting? No, I'm not rage baiting. I'm so sorry. I promised Solly that he would have 5 minutes of silence. Now I gotta get rid of all the talking. That sucked. That was really mean. Okay. It was an A+ setup though, so it is what it is. Asia High was a good point to have. It just tapped into that order block on ES and just actually it created relative equal highs on ES and went back down. But it's okay. Now let's see. I'm so sorry, Solly. Your silence is over. Now I made up. I made up for being mean to you the other day. Okie dokie. Let's go. Pop this in my trades. Unfortunately a loss, but it's okay. It means we're still in the green for today, if I'm not mistaken. Let's check what my balance is here. 137. Let's update this. Well played. That was bliss. Wow. Oh goodness. Okay, so balance is now 137.80. Okay. So back down we go, but that's okay. Now we continue. But actually... oh, goodness, because you were quiet. It was like that loss never happened. So let's pretend it didn't happen. Oh, it's okay. What's up, Oliver? How you doing? Why enter trade so early in the day? Isn't it better to wait for buyers to form? Sweet and simply, it had all of my confluences and some. Oh, interesting. Theoretically, you're not incorrect. I have been dabbling in the 15-minute orb strategy, which means it would be better for the 15-minute orb here to form and then get the bias. But I had literally like 5 confluences that just didn't respect it, and that's fine. So here's the 15-minute one. Okie dokie. Sorry, I know this looks chaotic. So I'm actually going to move the 5-minute and the 15-minute across, but now I'll leave the first presented popped open like that. Okay, that went down nicely, bob to bob level. Oh, that was the only problem. No, you know what? It is what it is. It is what it is. I think you took stop loss of both buyers and sellers a little bit. You've inspired me to get in the ice bath. I got you, Sally. Now you stole my name. Do I look at VIX? Also, no, I look at ES on this side though, because ES and ES tends to drive NQ, so I do have ES open on this side. I shorted the top of that move. Nice one! If I can keep her lip zip for 5 minutes, I can get a little cold. Sorry? You're so mean. What do you mean, whoop whoop? I thought you took a long, Jordy. Yeah, what? Jordy, I thought you were gonna take a long off of the first presented. Now here you are saying whoop whoop. I'm assuming it means you took a short bump level to bump level. Let's now see. So struggling to break out at 930. Because below here we could start to see a proper push down. I'm seriously surprised they didn't go and take out Asia High. Oh well, moving on to the next. Gaslighting. I think he's celebrating your loss. Probably I lied as a DJ trade. Oh, what?
Emotional damage.
Wow. Wow. The whole move was short all day. But yes and no. It's been retesting. Asia High was a good point of reference. And I mean, I did take a long earlier today and I did win. Whoop whoop, he went whoop whoop, not hoo hoo. Goodness, Eddie. Maya, that was a good learning experience. Thank you. Why, Jose? Jody, I thought we might have missed it, but she came through. Hey, Maya, good to see you. I'm not trading because I'll be back trading after 3 months in summer. Oh, nice, Othman. What's up, by the way? How are you doing? Wow. Okay, that broke solidly below. It's not come to retest that. It's going to take out relative equal lows there. Yep. Relative equal lows. Do not jump. Wait a minute. Being a chop. Here's the 5 minute. That's the 9:30 range. There we go. Let's close properly on the 2 minute before it continues back up. But damn. Damn, just damn. Ran through the source level along with the gap so shorter with the stop above the source level. Oh, nice. Okay, that makes sense though. Hey, Lukey, what's up, bear? My audio is giving you a masterclass in how to blend a bob sauce with ICT. Yeah, damn. A little bit. Speaking of. This might go. Leave me alone, man. Sorry, not you guys. The damn mosquito that's been buzzing around, being an absolute nightmare. 1, 2, 3. Okay, don't jump in because of FOMO. Don't just hop in because of FOMO. Good here. Back to midnight opening price. Okay, we got midnight opening price. We got midnight opening. We have the 15 minute and the 5 minute. We got bob level. Got fair value gap. London low below. Okay, this is a better one. Bob level to bob level if it comes back up. Bob to bob if it comes back up. I would prefer to move a little bit quicker back up. Gonna have to make it 2. I don't think it's going to come back up though. Nope, there it goes. Problem is if it reaches the bob level, I generally don't. It's going to reach the bob level. Honestly feel like one big TMT family. We should do something special for Bob. He's good. I actually genuinely agree with you, Geordie. We really should. He's not here. Is he? Bob, are you here? Bob! I don't think Bob's here. Get close. Thank you. Because this is now just running away. Yep. Running away. Bob deserves his flowers. I was thinking about for one of those special massage.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Jordy. 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 Why? Just why? Captain there. Good grief, man. Ridiculous. Nope, that's still just running away. London low has been taken. Next up is previous day London low. Okay. This is now trying to catch a falling knife. Why? No. Close. Close. You better, Wi-Fi, come. Don't do this to me. Close. Good. Stay cancelled. Don't pop up again. What the heck? That's way too close to no, 100%. Stream glitching. Just make sure that this is nothing important. I haven't had a proper look. I started looking earlier, but that was like during stream. I'm gonna have a proper look after stream. I haven't had a time to sit down and properly look. No, McDonald's Wi-Fi is playing up again.
Nice.
Sorry, there we go. It should be a little bit better now. Is it better now? Stopped having a mini meltdown. I can't even take this. This is gonna be too big. Ah, sugar honey iced tea. I had all my confluences. I had a nice point of interest. It's fine. There we go. Should be better now, guys. How's the Wi-Fi? The better? Yes, no, maybe. Let me quickly check here. I mean, interesting. It says it's okay. Yes? No, maybe. How's that? Seems fixed. Cool. Done. Very random. Don't know why it has a mini meltdown. Okay, well, at least we're still in the green. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Now, on to the next, if this even presents itself, but it's way too close to London low. I don't like where it is with regards to here. And this range is just too big, so let's see if it's gonna continue just going down. Let's check the higher time frames as well. Let's check the 5-minute. Okay, I see it tapped into the order block on the 5-minute. Should have double checked. So close to Asia high. It's fine. Back up. Ooh, very nice. Top there, still going down. There we go. London low has now been taken. This is huge. This is insane. Okay, let's check the 15-minute. Okay, London low, that London low, yesterday's London low has indeed been taken. What did we take there? Okay, so taken there, taken there. Next is the next bob level down. Geordie, are you going level to level again? So how many winning trades is this now, Geordie? Little tap in there. Little retracement here wouldn't be the end of the world. So we're still just following this down, but this is still ridiculous. This is ridiculous. It should be fine. Why have you guys gone all quiet? It's weird when you guys go quiet. Are we all good? Y'all okay? I can unclose the trade with the mouse button shortcut if anyone wants. Eddie, that's interesting. Really? Does it make life easier? I'm assuming it makes life easier. It's really taking it up. I know, but now it's so overextended. I'm a little bit scared. Okay, no, scared is the wrong word. But it is overextended. It's overextended. No! Why? Shame on you. No, I'm joking. It's valid. Look at this. Look at this rubbish. Let's go check on the 1 minute again. This was actually a little bit silly of me. I should have waited. I wanted it to take out the London high and tap into this fair value gap, which is exactly what it did before continuation back down. Oh well, it's okay. Lesson learned. New. What have I done? What have I done? There we go. Like, this is just insane. This is insane. This is insanity. Let's go back up. Means there's a fair value gap here that's just kind of disappeared, but it's okay. We're gonna just move past that. Let's see how it reacts here. If it starts to go down again, it might give us an opportunity to get into a short. Let's see though. Let's see. This is primed for a long trade though. I know, Jordy, that's what I'm also kind of looking at now, going, It starts to drop back down. I would like to see it re-enter the 15-minute and then go back down, but will it? Let's see. I'll have to go and double check. I was gonna ask when's the next major news, but I think that's... Is it tomorrow? Thank you, Juan. No, you are correct. You are correct. I think the problem is it just had so many confluences. Literally, like I said, this trade had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It technically had 5 confluences. That is like an A++++ with the Asia high up at the top. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Like you said. You just then continue. My goodness, I love it.
Emotional damage.
Oh, that is awesome. Guys, I thought of something. So hear me out. Did anyone else used to do this, like in high school? You know, when you're a kid and you're maybe not even high school. It's like, say, no, high school. I don't know. Prep school. Who knows? I don't know if you guys remember this or you've ever heard it before. But I thought of it today and I was like, this is the most random thing I've ever remembered. So you guys are gonna have to listen to this as well. It goes, my favorite word starts with an F and ends in a UCK. My favorite word is fire truck. What else did you think I'd say? Like, believe me, I'm aware that that is cringy as all heck, but you best believe if I want to start saying F, I'm gonna start singing that. So you're not in a rush to grab the mouse and find X, ensuring he doesn't have closed. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. For buy, sell, and close. It might actually help. Microwave, are you still there? Microwave. Okay, so tapped into the 50% of this range. Not the 50% of the full range though, but definitely the 50% of this range. So that's something. That's something. Hey, why do I trade? I wish I had a really cool answer, but I don't really. It's pretty much the same or similar reason for why most people trade. Freedom. Be it financial freedom, time, freedom from a day-to-day job, just freedom. Yeah. Sorry, I wish I had something super cool with me. I'm here just concentrating. Oh, that's okay though. Hey, you got 30 people in here, that's fine. Thank you. I would have got bullied so bad in school if I sang that. And you know what? I think you have to start singing it now, Jordy. Okay. It's 2026. You've got this. Awesome, guys. Don't forget to press that like button. And oh, look at it go. Let's see how it reacts here. If it starts to push down solidly, I can have a potential look at taking a sell. Let's see. Let's not rush into anything now. I got caught up in the noise here. Now take a breather, wait for the noise to calm down, and then look for your next A+ setup. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button, and if you guys are looking for awesome discounts, you can use my affiliate code TeachMaya. I did pin it in the link. If you guys aren't part of the Discord, let me know. The link is in the description of these videos. I'm also just kind of concentrating a little bit. Very nice tick into the 50% of this range though. Check at that, literally just wicked in and now going down. What level though? Clearly there's a lot of support over here. That's too far for me to see right now. That's fine. Sure. Wow. Yeah, I'd have to zoom out to actually see that. Cool. See if it respects here. If it starts going down properly, could be a good indication to take a sell tapped into the order block here. Decent rejection off of that order block. Yeah, there we go. For that order block RNES, that's what it rejected off of. Let's see if it's going to continue rejection on the 1 minute. I'm not used to you guys being quiet. It's a bit weird. Are you guys good? Are you guys okay? I know we're all like solidly focused for once, which is kind of weird to hear me out, but it's different. It's very, very different when everyone is quiet. I could scare you guys so easily right now. I don't know how you trade this. It would drive me crazy. Yeah, don't stress. Everyone has their own pick of their own poison, right? Is this bear flagging? Kind of looks like it could be bear. Ooh, is this Mojo Jojo? No. We're gonna Mojo Jojo this. Mojo Jojo, let's go. There we go. Yeah, let's see if the Mojo Jojo works. I'm actually waiting for a decent rejection of the 5-minute fair value gap. Hey Kevin, what's up? You done for the day? Did you get a short? I'm stressing for you. One of these days I'm gonna get you to trade higher time frames with me. Okay, bet. Let's see. Let's see if you can. That was a really nice freaking doji, actually. Ooh, struggled to break the Mojo Jojo. Let's see what happens here. B2016, what's up? Sorry, the Mojo Jojo is something we joke about. It's not a real thing. Okay, it's not a real strategy yet. Simply kind of when it's coiling and it looks like it's trend lining. I'm using trend line and I'm using quotation marks for a reason. When it's trend lining there and it's trend lining there, it's kind of getting smaller and smaller. The Mojo Jojo is essentially whichever line it breaks out of is where it's going to continue heading. So if it breaks out solidly, like this doesn't count. If it breaks out properly, to the sell side, like I can actually then probably move this slightly like that. There we go. So if it breaks out solidly to the sell side, then we're good for sells. But it's just a bit of an ongoing joke, so I apologize about that. I don't want to confuse anyone. There we go. Like that was a better break through the Mojo Jojo. So let's see if it continues going down now. Tightening wedge, yes, exactly. So like I said, it's kind of like a low-key joke. The first time I ever did it, it was probably, oh flip, I wish I could find it again. It was the funniest thing that's ever happened. I drew it as a joke and I said, won't it be hilarious if on the X it actually starts moving? And that is exactly what happened. It went and at the X it just dropped down. It was amazing. It was amazing. Watch out for fake outs. No, that's valid. Oh, beat 2016, that's awesome. And what are your thoughts? You can be brutal. Trust me, Solly's always brutal to me. You can be brutal. If you hate me, just tell me. No, it wouldn't have been good to take that one. I was... See, broke below Mojo Jojo. Should go back down. Well, should continue down properly now. Maybe it won't. Let's see. Nah, okay, it's going back in. Like you said, watch out for fake outs, eh? Aw, B2016, you're such a sweetie pie. Welcome. Beautiful break. I'd wait for retest and go short. Started learning with purchases of Bitcoin in 2013. Okay, you're a day trader. What's your thing? What's your thing? Apart from it sounds like Bitcoin, right? And that's cool. I'm a little bit bummed about the loss, but it's fine. I must actually quickly journal. Sorry, just quickly journaling my previous trade. Whatever. Journaling, apologies, I'll answer you guys now. Okay, good. There we go. Sorry, journal done? Sorted? I'm in shorts now. Okay, nice. So you're in shorts. Bit much so recently studying swings with Wyckoff and Stoics. SBS swing breakout system. Okay, okay. Interesting. I'm not in buy, but I kind of have a setup, so I'm gonna put one in them long joints. Okay, go for it. How do you journal? Hey, Naren. Well, sweet and simply, I actually journal on the Discord because I have a page, a spot thingy called My Trades, and I will place my trades there, and then I kind of journal. Or I even have one that's my accountability. So, like, if I didn't take an A+ setup because I was overthinking, or if I took a dumb trade because of, you know, FOMO. So, yeah. Basically, I use the Discord a little bit as my journal because then, you know, you guys can also see what I was thinking, see what I was feeling. At the end of the day, if it helps someone, Awesome. I've got a brain freeze with my chart showing a volume imbalance because... Oh, yeah, sorry. It's missing the 953 candle. Don't worry, there's not a volume imbalance like that. It's missing a candle. Any active trade? No, not yet. Hey, some guy. How's it going? And Wayne. Ayo. How goes it? How goes it? Still waiting on the homework tab on the Discord. You come in here and you start drama all the time, Solly. Oh my, no, I'm joking, I'm joking. Okay, fine. I will start a homework one on the Discord and then we can do homework. Okay, like we're back in school. I always avoided doing homework in school. It's gonna be no joking. Difference now is that I actually genuinely want to learn. So it is a bit different, but it's okay. Back to this trading. Let's do this. Robocop, what's up? Back on the running grind. It feels good. Nice, some guy. Am I a funded trader? I'm funded, Wayne. How's it going? Officially funded, so that's exciting. No, interesting, actually. Sorry, just curiosity, right? Broke nicely up above that. Huh. Okay. Let's see, this is where we now wait for confirmations before jumping back into anything. Don't take your body's well-being for granted. Being back from an injury is amazing. That's what I was saying. Homework is awesome now. That's valid. Can we have a food section on the Discord? Should have seen what I made for breakfast. Mikuwabe, why don't you put that in your real... No, wait, there is no one for your real life, is there? Is there? No, there is one. Put it in your real life. Yeah, pop it on your real life. There's the run, there's go-karting. Pop the food in your real life. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Up, up, and away we go. Damn. Really good engulfing candle here. If I was doing level to levels, I would have taken one here. Level to level, back to the midnight. I would say that's a really good point of interest, back to this midnight open. A rejection off of that order block, that was really solid. Here we go, let's see here, we're going back up to VWAP. Sorry, if we did the full range... Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh, damn. Okay, full range is there. I can't trade the full range, but if we were looking at full range, it's the 15-minute. And the first presented, let's see. Oh, thank you, B2016. You're so sweet. Did you pass or just didn't? I passed, Wayne. I passed. What? You can't show us the food. Have you eaten today? I did. I had to think about that. I had leftover pizza for breakfast. And coffee. Coffee counts. You know, it's beans. Ground up beans. Added with water, but it's still beans. That trade. No, Mikuwabe, what happened? No, 13 out of 80 on the bub level so far, and another whoop whoop. Jordy? What the heck, man? Okay, whoop whoop for Jordy. I bet Mikuwabe be heating up some straight meal. Jordy, I feel like you have to, like, I know Bob's secret sauce, but I feel like you have to tell me your added secret sauce with the Bob secret sauce, because now I'm genuinely curious. I mean, 13 out of 18 trades whoop whoop is ridiculous. That is insane. What kind of pizza, Modis? It was a barbecue chicken pizza, and you're gonna judge this one. It was like a it's called the Russian pizza, like it has Russian sausages with kind of like a mustard. It was debonaise. I ate it cold, which I know is like scandalous, but yeah. Devils just need to pay a quick hands, true. Takes bow. Thank you, Knight of the Realm. You are hilarious. Yeah, Jordy, I feel like you have to now. I know Bob's secret sauce. Now I feel like you have to explain your added secret sauce, because I have an idea that I can't do just yet, but I have an idea for the future. It might be what I do once I get a payout. That is how simple it is. Now I'm down with the cold day after. Yep. Russian sausages will never go near my mouth. I have questions. Why? It's my normal model, just taking off and adding at the levels as opposed to sitting through the pain of like 1 hour trades. Okay. It's time for another payout. What the heck, Jordy? Reheat hacks. Fry face down in a pan of low heat. No need to add any oil. I don't have an air fryer. I know I'm gonna get judged for that one, but I actually do not have an air fryer. 50% of this full range. Beautiful. Tap into that one. Let's see if it now goes back down. Interesting. I mean, this has 3, but I don't like how quickly it's going down. Yeah, I don't like how quickly it's going down. Maybe it goes back up now, but that's fine. Some guy? Air fryer is good, but it's just not the same. Oh, there we go. But there we go. See, are you happy? I ate something this morning, so that's good. But after that, I was running around. Yeah, I've been running around. Run to the stable, run around with the horses. They all have way too much energy, so they're trying to kill me. Literally, I wish I was joking. They are trying to kill me. It'll be shorts today. Joy of travel. So like normally I would take trades and wait on a whole rally or dump. Now at this level I can see where it's gonna smudge or chop a little. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. So it just it took your strategy and just made it more of a quick scalping in and out, boom boom boom, more instantaneous instead of waiting, which means less probability of it coming back to take you out at break even or hit your stop loss, right? Because it's more of a quick in and out. See, this is why I would never go near a horse. Don't be such a baby. They're cute. They're adorable. They're super cute. I mean, I've also like grown up with them, so meh. I'm just used to the chaos. How did I have this one? Oh, I had it here. Hey. Yeah, I don't like how quickly it went down.
That's what she said.
Thanks for scaring me. Quick in and out. Yes! What does this crown on my name mean? Oh, it means you're like the #1 fan. You're my #1 fan. If it doesn't want to smudge for too long. Today's fly day, taking by today's gambling. Oh dear, yep. Be yapping the mostest. Nice, congratulations, you're a funded trader. Oh, thanks, Slack Monster, appreciate it. I am indeed. I am indeed, but yeah, check. Tap beautifully into the 50% range of the full range. 50%. Midpoint of the full range. There we go. English. Got it. Eventually. Damn. like perfectly to the tick. Let's see if it continues back down now. I want to see a good confirmation. If it takes out this low and a little bit of a rally back up, I would want to get in on that. Not quite here. Okay, there's a little tap into that order block. So it tapped into 50% of that one. Went freaking bob to bob again. This is absolutely ridiculous, but off of that 15-minute candle. So yeah, we're good for shorts. I mean, it's a little bit overextended, but let's continue. Okay, I don't like this setup. Maybe it works out, but it's not an A+, so hands off. So meet I'm king of the castle. There we go. Oh my gosh, you guys are funny. She wilds it in, doesn't even know. What did I do now? What did I do now? What did I do now? Like... It's 20 minutes quick, it's arguable.
Okay, let's go.
I thought this was valid for now. No, to go for a week or more sometimes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see what happened there. I see what happened there.
Nice.
You guys are so bad. Do you know that? You guys are terrible. I'm just here being an innocent little innocent human being. I'm just being here all innocent, and you guys are being bad. Bad. Okay, naughty. Sis. Be better. Be better, guys.
Emotional damage.
Good grief. Okay, you don't want to give back everything. Let's see. Let's see. A little, the keyword. What's up, Boom? Hit the likes, guys. Failed to hit the likes. Means your trade today will be L's. I don't make the rules. Oh, damn. Maybe that's the problem. I did. It was a loss. It's okay. I'm still in the green for the day, but it was a loss. I need to take a think. Making way too. Okay, I'm all eyes. Jordy, what's up? It's not trading related. Everyone focus. Everyone focus. I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. What's up, Jordy? The main man is here. The whole reason you guys come to the stream is here. Here's a little periwinkle. Can I have a pop? Ah, I got a pop. I got a pop. Look at this pop. Oh, oh, it's asking so nicely. There we go. Okay, Jordy. Master trading. Master something.
That's
what she said.
Okay, back. Yeah, sorry, back to focusing. Back to focusing. Sorry, Jordy. Tell Boom, Boom Banana. Solly says hi. Been dating this chick for a few months now, and most of us know her. She's from our area. Oh, okay, Jordy. Guessing the market is tricky. It's making you blind. I don't know why. Blessings, Town. What do you mean? What type of dog is he? He is a purebred good boy. But no, he's a rescue on the side of the road. Tell Solly I say, Solly, Boom says hi. Glad to know I am a messenger pigeon, but whatever. Have you guys seen that thing? Oh, it's like, I'm not attractive enough to be a hot mess, so I'm just a room temperature inconvenience. Oh, I don't know why that made me think of that. Anyways. Ask him if I should trade this PA. How do we know? Okay, wait. I have a plan. Hurry. Come here. I have a plan. Sit. So... left... I didn't tell you what it was, though. I was gonna say left paw, don't trade the PA. Right paw, trade the PA. But he already gave me the left paw, so... don't trade it? Yeah? I was gonna ask him paw, but he already put his left paw here. Oh, he's got both his paws on my leg. Look at him go, good boy. Hey, Jordy, yeah, today I went to my coffee shop because they have amazing muffins. I digress, but these muffins few. Anyway, Jordy, do I see where this is going? Was she with someone else? What's up, Dylan? How are you doing? Okay, I'm locking out. Damn, Robocop. Imagine it now goes amazing. If it does, I'm so sorry. Then we know to do the opposite of what Harry says. I'm gonna fade my dog. Good boy. Trading done. Oh, you guys! After the rest of the story about the guy and the girl, I'm gonna need to know more about these muffins. Actually, yeah. Jordy, where are these muffins? Because now I need to know. Boom! You said Maya, what's up? I did. It was a loss. Huh. Check at that. The full range would have been a goodie. Interesting. So this is still going further down now. Don't like this price action. This is not my business. No, Sid, you tell the guy. Okay, probably nothing. These two people have some coffee. Okay. Did you see them hook up? And also, wait. Let me read the story again. But Jordy, when you're done with the last message, I will read it all again, and then let's all get a weigh in on this. Blessingstown, what's up? Maybe what? Tap back in there. Continuation back down. Don't like how that looks. That was okay. It is a little bit overextended. This looks too big. Okay. Maya, you're fighting the market. How am I fighting the market right now? That makes no sense. What am I doing? The price rejected from the last buy to sub. Okay, you what? You confused my brain a little bit there, some guy. But she had her hand on the thigh and she gave him a little peg. Oh hell no, Jordy, no. Yeah, sort of. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna ask something. I'm gonna ask something, and maybe it's creepy, maybe it's not. Did you get any evidence? Did you get any evidence? Like, did you snap a picture or something? I don't know if that's creepy, but you know. You know what I mean? Day 2 of asking Maya to do a backflip. Dylan! It's not gonna happen. Did you collect a sample? Well, I mean, sometimes proof is good, or else it's like your word against theirs and vice versa, but... Okay, so for everyone just hopping in. Okay, wait, let's focus for a second. For everyone just hopping in, so I'm gonna read the situation. Isn't to do with trading, just FYI, but we're doing this. As a community, we're going through this issue together. So, I'm gonna start from the beginning. So there's this, so I'm reading from the perspective of Geordie. So there's this friend of mine, decent guy from gym. We're not close, but he's a good guy. Know him for years now. He's been dating this chick for a few months now, and most of us know her. She's from my area. Good girl, seems innocent, but then ... Today I went to this nearby coffee spot because they have amazing muffins. I digress, but these muffins... Okay, anyways. The shop, it gets busy, and way in the corner I see this chick with another dude. So I think to myself, this is not my business. It's probably nothing, two people having some coffee, but she had her hand on this guy's thigh. The thigh, and she gave him a little peck, all lovey-dovey and whatever. So, here's my dilemma. Do I tell him? I see this guy every other day at the gym. He's a decent guy, not like us. What are we? Are we not nice? Not the point. He's genuinely nice, like too nice. To top it off, this girl looked at me as I was paying and she smiled. I'm pretty freaking sure she saw me seeing her. That's terrifying. That's terrifying, Geordie. Okay. So she knows that she was caught and she smiled about it. Where price projection actually was, look to the left. There's a couple of candles at the buy before. So yep, that looks like it was the rejection was from. Oh, got it. So basically a higher, well, an order block. Yes, on a higher time frame. Maybe, you know. That's what I'm saying. I wouldn't even want to engage in that conversation. That's crazy. Oh, thank you, Solly. Am I really a good reader or are you mocking me? I feel like you're mocking me. When it comes to you, Solly, I feel like 99% of the time you are mocking me. But anyways, back to trading. I don't know what to say to that. Nox slides in. No, literally, Nox is just like, what up? I heard there's drama. I'm all here for it. This is not really what you want to be seeing right now. Feels like it just completely went overextended. Okay, I'm going to be hands off until we get some more confirmation that we are headed in a better direction and that this price action is going to start price actioning. There are 25 muffins! That... Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Nice.
That was good. Oh no! Cautious. B2016, why? Only half watching. That's okay. Short's still active. See if we get some more confirmation on this, but the price action's really, the volume's calmed down. Well, no, not the volume. The price action's calmed down quite a bit now, so let's see. It's starting to dry up slightly. I don't know, I've never been in this, but I don't think I can look him in the eye when he brings her up again. Oh, poor kid, women be What the heck, man? Potential solution, cancel my gym membership and join another one. Jordy, no. For someone who's been on the receiving end of that deal more than once, I would rather have known sooner than later. Now that Solly, you guys are such bad influences. Do you know that? Some guy, I agree with you. But maybe like start it. Ooh, I have a sneaky way. I have a sneaky way of doing it. I don't know if you want to hear the sneaky way of doing it though. Jordy, let me know if you want to hear the sneaky way of doing it. Bro, you gotta tell him you're only snitch when you snitch on the person you're loyal to, ain't loyal to the... That's definitely a tough situation, Jordy. Definitely feel like that's something he should know, to be honest, yeah. Oh yeah, I get that. Just had to throw some shade your way. We were getting off topic. You're right, you're right. How dare Solly be not mean to me for more than 5 minutes? That's disgusting. What is that? Ask him if he likes to watch Nox! Okay, so didn't Tyler both on the bro code team? Yeah, seems like it. This is such a cool community, sorry. I know that was pretty random, but it is. It's such a cool community. I want to like kick rocks at this price action right now. Seriously? 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 If you met this oak, you'd feel bad. For the record, I'm broke, but I know it sucks on your end. Do I monitor the VIX? I do not. B2016, I do not. I'm gonna tell this guy there's no bond like the bond you have with the guy you say hi to in the gym. Here's your gym bro. There's no better bromance than a gym bromance. It's just freaking awkward. I've never had to deal with this. So, Jordy, do you want the low-key cheat code or not? It's a little bit of an easier way to bring it up, if you will. The HD sequence, what's up? How long have I been trading for? I've been trading for nearly 11 months, so nearly a year. I'm going on to a year of trading. How long have you been trading for? And the chap on both ends, just tell him straight. Ooh. Rough. I don't think it's bro code, I think it's just objectively the right thing to do. Would think the same if man-woman roles were reversed. Not true. But Jordy, like I said, it's kind of cheating. Not really. You just go up and be like, so... I don't know, maybe it's like a coward way of approaching it. But you'd be like, so... in a situation like this, and you basically describe the situation, do you think the guy would want to know? And if he says, yes, I think this guy would want to know, then you'd be like, well then, I got some bad news for you, buddy. This is what I saw. Because then he can't be like, mad at you for not telling him. But also, like I said, it's kind of like a cheat code, but it might be an easier way to bring it up. If you just bring up the topic of, so if you had a friend or an acquaintance and you saw their girlfriend out in public with someone else, would you want to be told? Next time you see him, just say to him, I need to tell you something. You can believe it or not, but I see your girl in a coffee shop with another guy, and I'm either in a bromance with the lads in the gym, or I think they're gonna stare a hole through my head and try and fight me. Hard to tell when everyone peeked up on pre-workout. That's valid. Catch her doing it again. Take photos, get them printed A3 size and faster than all over the gym. I told you! Get evidence! Snap photos, be creepy, it's fine, who cares? Be a little creeper. Oh, come on, price action. Give us something. A few years. I did options, thankfully, successfully before, but I just bought stocks for now for a year. Oh, nice! HD sequence, and how's it going? If they even want to know, I would want to know if it were me, but like, I don't want to be the one saying it. Jordy, sometimes, unfortunately, life just sucks. Give them the option. Be like, listen, I know something. It's going to make you upset. Do you want me to tell you yes or no? Because then he can't be mad at you for telling him. Because he said, yes, tell me. And if he says, I don't want to know, then you go, okay. Then you're off the hook. Because you told him that you know something that would upset him and he elected not to know. Yes, tell me immediately. Why are you even thinking about it? Called out. Do you have this man's number? Oh, you might even make a buddy out of telling him and have after gym beers. Hey, Karam, what's up? Bro, I was going to be in the gym 24 hours a day for months straight. 25. Yo, he's about to be our gym bro where you guys are gonna get ripped because he's going to take gym very seriously very soon. Anyway. Good. I deal with low, medium risk stocks. What do you focus on? Oh, HD sequence. So day trading, and I'm on the Nasdaq futures, specifically the MNQ, because, well, I'm now, as of today, I'm officially funded. Sorry, that's why I'm a little bit overexcited about it. But yeah, I'm carrying on like normal. For me, I'm carrying on like normal. It is what it is. Whatever happens, happens. But yeah. I'm gonna have to do the right thing. I have to tell him, yes, you do. What happened to your balance? Hey, Dylan, I had a loss. But that's okay. I had a loss. But it is what it is. Now we wait for the price action to be a little bit better and we carry on. It's fun to hit some new PRs. You guys are mean. Give me his number. We can call him on stream. Oh, no. No. That's Mikuave. No, that's mean. Oh, cheers, Noxy. I went from running it to half marathon to 1 hour 53.
Emotional damage.
Anyways. Karam, what's up? Dylan. Yeah, I know, but it's okay, Dylan. It is what it is. Like I said, it had 5 confluences. 5, so it's fine. Come tomorrow in person, maybe over a post-gym beer or something. Jordy, do it, you've got this. And then you're gonna have to tell us how it goes. She had a silent loss. I did! So what I'm getting is that when I'm quiet, it actually doesn't work out really well. I must just always talk all the time. Right, Solly? You agree? I know Solly agrees. Solly loves it when I talk all the time. That girl is for the streets though, the smile. That's what bothered me. No, Jordy, that's... Don't take this the wrong way. That's low-key like serial killer vibes and it's terrifying. That's absolutely terrifying. I would be shooketh to my core. Go have fun, what's up? Running from them feelings is almost better than lifting them feelings. Rough, it's just past phase 1 with my funded account. Oh, whoop whoop, Karam, that's amazing! Well done! Whoop whoop indeed. I thought you went back to those shoes and bought a pair. Dylan, no. My win rate goes up when you're silent.
Emotional damage.
Why are you guys so mean? Oh my gosh! Some guy, you missed me being quiet for 5 minutes, by the way. Just saying, you missed me being dead quiet for 5 minutes, so boom, that's what you get for that. You missed out on some great stuff. Okay, nothing great here. Big engulfing off of there. I would like to see it go back up to above level. It's not respecting. Well, it is, but isn't. I'm just gonna talk to myself because apparently you guys don't want me talking to you, so it's fine. Okay? It's fine. you smile so I can take screenshot and replace my home screen. Anyways, moving on. But I'm running on a wisdom podcast on Facebook. I'll have to go back and watch the video. Yeah. Do it. When I'm not running, I have the TMT background music playing at all times. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the annoying voice that you know, gets between your great music time. My bad, my bad. It's okay, I watched one of some guy's Twitch streams just for the music. I was there just for the music. How did you like them apples? Specifically told him I was there just for the music. Taking a short off for that 15-minute would have been good, but it didn't come back. Now it's coming back.
No, sweetie pie.
Lordy, I love me a rave. Boom chop, boom chop, boom chop. Sorry, I'm just kind of butting in on this conversation. So you guys don't even want to know what I listen to. Y'all will judge me. Do we think this price action's now just completely overextended and it's going to consolidate until after lunch? Or do we think we're going to actually have some decent movement happening just now? Again, hindsight is easy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I guess. But meh. It would have been a winner, but oh well. Hindsight is very easy to look at. There was no music. What do you mean there was no music? What do you mean? When was there no music? When I was quiet? What's happening? What's wrong? My dog's upset with me. Seriously, guys, do you think this is just gonna go sideways now? Yeah. I'm gonna give this a few more minutes, but it's gonna continue like this. Let's see. Cheers, cheers, some guy. Enjoy. Have a goodie. Have an awesome one. Where'd everyone go? They all just went silent. Because this price action sucks, did we all just kind of be like, okay, bye? When we're gonna have a switch up of this background music. Mikuwave, I tried to switch it. Do you know how many people yelled at me? Just saying. Will Google Alpha break bebop? Midday chop time. No, bye-bye. It's kind of disappointing. But literally, Mikuwave, do you know, I tried. I literally tried specifically for High Life, because High Life was over it. He was so over it, and I tried. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Terrifying. The amount of people that yelled at me for changing the music. Please show people what you just did. Come here. Please show people. No, bring it. He just bought me his Christmas tree. He bought me his Christmas tree. He just bought me his toy. Do you want to play? Okay, okay, we'll go play now. You can't see. Where's the squeaker? Yep. Okay, now he just wants sweets. Comes here for one reason and one reason only. It's not even just... He doesn't even love me. He just wants the sweeties. I need a bit of drum and bass every now and then to keep the energy flow. I feel like I've been in an elevator all day. Oh! Okay, I have an idea. I have an idea. I already made a note of it. I just didn't go find anything. Okay, I have to find something. I have to find something, but I mean, right now this price action kind of sucks. I might end up calling this early just because this is not ideal. Is anyone trading this right now? Who's in a trade? Who's looking for something? Like I said, this one was okay. Didn't like it. I don't like anything going back up. I feel like we need an energy section where Maya dances. More energy, more passion, more passion. Also, no, you don't. You don't want to see me dancing. I can guarantee you, you do not want to see me dancing. It ain't pretty. Okay? It really ain't pretty. It's not okay. Like, I'm one of those super orky that I'm like, hey, yeah, we're dancing. I'm old, man. You can't expect old people to dance. What's wrong with you? Just because you're young and you have energy. I don't have energy to dance. Are you crazy? Sorry, I'm having a complete rant for no reason, but it's okay. Let's see. This price action sucks. Thanks, straight in the Discord. Get your horse to dance. Oh man, I wish I knew how to teach him. I've taught him how to like do this, so that's cool. Maybe I'll see if I can teach him how to dance. Maybe that's my next goal. See if I can teach Finn how to dance. That would be adorable. Oh my gosh, that would be so cute. The horse would probably be better. I'm not even gonna argue with you on that. You're right. He would definitely be better at dancing. I'd be there going like, and he'd be all pretty and going like this and looking awesome. Ridiculous. Not fair. Hey Peter, what's up? How's it going? Oh, thanks for the new sub. Heyo. Sorry, you've come at such a weird random time. I'm talking absolute rubbish. I apologize. It's just a bit of a... Man, I was expecting good. Just got noise there. Fake out here. And now it's chopping. It's okay. It's fine. Like I said, I'll give it a little bit more. Hello, sweetie pie. Are you good? Okay, my dog's here. What are you sniffing? What you sniffing? Goodbye. No, Mikuwaba, we don't talk about those are two different people. Those are two different people. We don't talk about that, okay? Just saying. 3D crypto camo, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? How you doing? Is anyone trading this? Is anyone in a trade? Is anyone looking for something? This kind of sucks. I was promised a good time, and NQ lied. Oh well, it's fine. You know, that being said, the only good entry would have been here. Would have now been not even break even yet. Did I have any entry for a short? No. Nothing. Like I said, except for the full range over there. And... Okay. Like I said, I've been enjoying London a little bit more than New York recently. The New York price action has just not been price actioning how it should have. If I have videos of me, I'll send them to the Discord. I'm really bad and worse when I don't know what planet I'm on. Oh, Mikuwaba deal. Please, please send it. Please, please, please. And tag me in it, please. I can't miss that. I cannot miss that. Please, 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 please. I'm in Google. Oh, nice, Anne. Was in and done in 20 minutes. Nice! My brain took a nap watching this price action. Honestly, Jordy. At this point, I almost want to say screw it. Let's just hop on Discord. Cheers, Geordie. This price action really sucks. I think I'm actually going to agree. I might call it here. Am I looking at crypto or stocks? Oh, neither. I'm on the Nasdaq futures. What's up? I have party files from back in the day. Solly, you're on the Discord, aren't you? You're always so quiet on it, though. Are you? You are. Wallpaper with long hair. Like, as long as mine? Wallpaper WhatsApp. My bender files more look down than the... Damn, okay. We're going on Discord. Maybe. I'm not... Oh, wait. Okay, Wi-Fi is having a moment. Maybe this is a sign. I might hop on Discord. Let's see. I'm saying it's a sign that the Wi-Fi is having a mini freak out. So let me call it there. You guys are the best. Don't forget to press that like button. Sorry, this session was a bit meh, but a little lost, but still in the green for today. So green is green. I'm gonna take that as a win. Green is green. It's okay. I love you guys madly. Don't forget to press that like button. And if you guys wanna, you know, extra support, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya. You can check out all the props in the description below. But yeah, Traderify, Beetlenox, top one. Those are definitely the top three. Check it out for some awesome discounts. I love you guys madly. I'll be back tomorrow, London and New York session. Let's do this. Hopefully the price action is